What's up, guys? I am back. Sorry I've been gone for about a week and a half, but I've been extremely busy. But today I just got my car. I'm going to the DMV. I need to get a license plate for my car. It's expired. I've been riding dirty a little bit. So going to the DMV. I think I need to go to 2 of my properties, check on the rehab, and then check on one of my rentals. I finished that rehab in I think August of 2017. So I gotta change something on the water heater, so I'm gonna bring y'all along with me doing that, and I'll show y'all what's going on in the rehab. Y'all can check that out. And what else I got going on? Got something. That should be about it. But y'all stay tuned. All right, pulling up to property number 1. Plumber's here waiting for me.
See, I need to get that thing down here.
Yeah.
And the way this is, the pop-off's supposed to be higher than the drain. You can see me working. I'll take a picture of your dad. I'm working. So you quit crying. Do that, bro.
Water heater problem.
Damn, this water fucking hot, man. It wasn't hot, man.
Wasn't hot to me.
Look at that brown water coming at the bottom, man. You're taking a bad man here. You're taking a bad man here. That's at the bottom, that's the calcium.
Clear water at the top. Alright, this is the part we have to change. It's called a pop-off valve. The water kept leaking out of this little area, so we gotta go to Lowe's or Home Depot, change this out, replace it, and we should be good to go. And it goes right here. See you at Lowe's or Home Depot. This is my rent house. Redid all this in August of 17. This is how it look now. The tenants keep it so clean. It's some older people. It's a living room. We redid everything here. Show y'all the bathroom. We had towel all the way up. Right here. The living room, the hallway. And then we got the 3 rooms. I don't want to go in their rooms and all that. Just wanted to show you. This is the outside of the house. I never showed y'all the outside. They drop their rent receipt for the month. So since I'm be waiting so long, I came give me some pizza from Domino's. I'm gonna eat my pizza and I'm gonna head back in the DMV. Y'all stay tuned. All right, I just made it to the second location. This is our little rehab we got going on. It's across the street from my hospital, so it's a great location. I came drop some knobs for the kitchen countertops. The kitchen cabinets and the drawers. All right, I'll show y'all the knobs I got. And by the way, you want to order your knobs and stuff off of Amazon online. It's way cheaper than getting it from Lowe's or Home Depot or your local hardware store. Let me show y'all what I got. All right, we got these knobs. These gonna be for the drawers. The cabinets. Got these right here for the drawers. So I got 25 of these, and 2 spares, so that'll be 27. And these I forgot how many I got these. I think maybe like 16 or something like that. So got all that for $40. And I got all that for $40. And if you get this same quality material from Lowe's or Home Depot, I think it's like $2 a piece for these. So you save some money by going on Amazon or whatever other sites you got, what you know of. All right, I just made it back home. If y'all watch the video this far, thank you for watching. If y'all like these daily vlogs and coming up with me during my day, let me know. I kind of like filming them, so I don't mind making more. In the first house, I make a video showing the before and after, and I'm also probably make a video showing all the numbers, the purchase price, rehab price, labor price, and the appraised value and all that. And also the second location, I'll make another video showing the same thing once we finish. But also, that's about it. And just stay tuned. I got some more content coming. And I've been going because my iPhone broke, so I had to order another one. But I have a camera, but I'm not too comfortable with it, making videos and all that yet. So that's why I've been going. But stay tuned for more content. Thank y'all for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share if you want to, hit the bell if you want to. See you on the next video.